in the Bahamas once again. As you can see, the reefs here are very colorful and vibrant. Lots of sharks here, which means one healthy ecosystem. We're waiting for the tiger to show up. So far, all we have is Caribbean reef sharks, but it looks like it's a gorgeous day here in the Bahamas.
Present company accepted, present company accept the worst. It happens every night. Present company excluded every time. Present company, the best that you can find. Talking like a jerk, except you are an actual jerk and living proof. But sometimes friends are mean. Present company, expected present company, just laugh it off. It's better than it seems. Present company, excluded in every way. Present company makes me want to stay. Killing it with close inspection, killing it can only make it worse. It sort of makes it breed. Present company accepting presently, we all expect the worst. It works just like a meme. Present company excluded in the night. Present company included in the fight.
chatting, and as you can probably see, every now and then, there's a shark pretty close. This place has lots of lemon sharks, tiger sharks, nurse sharks, sometimes some reef sharks. We're actually at the northwest corner in a place we call Crystal Tiger, where it's nice and clear in the incoming tide like we have right now. Right over here, keeping an eye out for tigers, so I don't have to look behind me that often. But without him,